When you've worked across private equity, technology, and global markets, you stop looking at countries the way tourists do. You look at capital flows, infrastructure, incentives, and where early positioning creates asymmetric upside. That's the lens we use at Profitable Nomads, and it's exactly why the Dominican Republic deserves a serious look. Not just as a destination, but as an emerging investment environment. Because the real money isn't made when a market is obvious. It's made by understanding where a market is in its cycle before everyone else shows up. The Dominican Republic is at one of those inflection points right now. And in this video, I'll explain why, from an investor's perspective, not a travel brochure. Is the Dominican Republic a smart place to live and invest in Airbnb, or is it overrated? From the Profitable Nomads perspective, we don't follow headlines. We analyze underlying signals. Let's break down the real numbers and second-order effects, focusing on strategic positioning and data-driven insights. The Dominican Republic holds a strategic position in the Caribbean, making it an attractive destination for both tourism and investment. Its stable tourism growth, especially post-pandemic, signals a resilient demand driver, moving beyond just a vacation spot. In 2024, the country welcomed a record 10.3 million tourists, a significant 48% increase since 2019, showcasing powerful rebound and expansion. Government incentives for foreign investment further enhance its appeal, creating a favorable environment for strategic capital allocation. The growing digital nomad infrastructure is an early signal of a maturing market, attracting a new wave of location-independent entrepreneurs. For the operator, the cost of living in the Dominican Republic is significantly lower than in the United States. A single person can live comfortably on $1,200 to $2,000 per month, extending capital runway for investments. Favorable visa policies and incentives, like Law 17107, offer tax benefits for foreign retirees and investors, providing operational flexibility. Thriving expat communities in areas like Las Terrenas, Cabarete, and Santo Domingo offer valuable networks for on-the-ground intelligence. These communities often boast better infrastructure, safety, and property management services, crucial for successful operations. However, infrastructure inconsistencies aren't just an inconvenience, they're a variable you must price into your operating model. Electricity and water outages can be common, though privatized services in areas like Las Terrenas offer more reliability. Bureaucracy can be a barrier to entry, but it can be navigated with the right local expertise, creating a moat for those who understand it. While generally safe, especially in tourist areas, exercising increased caution due to crime is advised by the U.S. Department of State. The Dominican Republic's Airbnb market offers impressive returns, with properties in prime locations achieving gross rental yields between 7% and 12%. Beachfront areas like Punta Cana and urban centers like Santo Domingo consistently outperform long-term rentals. Santo Domingo, a business and cultural hub, sees apartments averaging $1,037 monthly income, with yields up to 7.9% for two-bedroom units. Punta Cana, a mass tourism destination, can reach up to $2,989 monthly income, with one-bedroom unit yields exceeding 8%. Cabaret, a lifestyle and niche sports destination, attracts younger expats and digital nomads, offering unique market dynamics. Purchase prices range from $90,000 to $150,000, with nightly rates of $80 to $140 and occupancy rates of 60% to 70%. Gross revenue can reach $2,200 to $3,000 per month, leading to net profits of $1,200 to $1,800 after expenses. These profitability figures are operator-dependent, emphasizing the need for diligent management and strategic decision-making. From the Profitable Nomads view, risk is managed, not avoided, requiring a proactive approach to potential challenges. Overestimating occupancy is a rookie mistake. We model for base case and worst case scenarios to ensure realistic projections. Strategic location selection based on target demographics and market demand is crucial for mitigating risk. Securing a good lawyer is essential to navigate legal complexities and protect your investment. Employing a reliable property manager is a force multiplier, handling day-to-day operations and ensuring smooth performance. The Dominican Republic offers several incentives for foreign investors, including tax exemptions for tourism projects under Confiture for 10 years. There's also an exemption from the transfer tax on industrialized goods and services, or ITBS, for project-related purchases. Foreign real estate buyers don't pay property tax on their first $150,000 investment, further sweetening the deal. While major cities have developed infrastructure, rural areas may lack support, and electricity can be unreliable. Investors highlight systemic challenges like unclear competition rules, inadequate regulation enforcement, and corruption at various government levels. The legal system faces challenges related to transparency and efficiency, often resulting in delays and limited access to justice. This is why having the best team is critical, as with all foreign investments, and requires proper due diligence and strategic planning to protect your hard-earned capital. This is where Profitable Nomads Network can assist, helping you leverage our contacts and resources to help mitigate risks and help evaluate certain investment opportunities. The crime rate, ranging from petty to violent, is mild, necessitating awareness and precautions. At Profitable Nomads, we know crime exists everywhere, but we want to find the best locations for the long term to protect our investments and cash flow. The Dominican Republic isn't a guaranteed win, it's an opportunity with specific parameters. And like any real opportunity, outcomes depend on information, timing, and execution. With the right data, the right local team, and the right resources, you're not eliminating risk, you're increasing the probability of success. Whether the goal is income generation, capital appreciation, or long-term lifestyle leverage, having a clear pulse on the economic implications of any investment isn't optional. It's essential. Yes, the people are incredible. The food is amazing. The lifestyle matters. But as profitable nomads, we think beyond aesthetics. We look for ways to generate income, protect capital, and compound optionality. So our lifestyle is supported by strategy, not luck. That's how you protect both your wealth and your freedom. For the operator who does the work, buys right, and manages smart, it offers a compelling combination of lifestyle and return. It's a market that rewards diligence over speculation, aligning perfectly with the Profitable Nomads philosophy. You don't need to have it all figured out yet. Every investor, operator, and entrepreneur starts at a different point. What matters is having access to the right information, the right guidance, and the right network. At Profitable Nomads, we focus on actionable, data-driven insights that help you position strategically. Whether you're building your first foundation or scaling existing capital, and if you're not where you want to be yet, that's okay. We have partnerships, programs, and resources designed to help you build your first 10K, 100K of deployable capital, improve and structure your credit profile, understand investments properly. Not through hype, but through education. Learn directly from industry professionals who have lived, trained, studied, and worked in these spaces as registered and experienced operators. This isn't about shortcuts. It's about building competence before committing capital. If you value clear thinking, real experience, and strategic positioning in a changing world, visit ProfitableNomads.com and explore the community. Follow Profitable Nomads for more insights like this and join a network built to help you move forward with clarity, not noise. If you value actionable, data-driven insights for strategic positioning, follow Profitable Nomads for more. And if this video was helpful, go ahead and like it and give us a follow to get an invite to our next exclusive event.